Back. This is part 2 of the camping story thingamabob.
Hi guys, and it's now night time.
Alex is still here. It's night time. I feel like Bob's gonna come sue us. Also, if you haven't watched part 1, go watch part 1 before you watch this one.
Yeah, because it's... Wait, babe, what's this?
Let's eat some sandwiches. I don't want to eat sandwiches.
Yo, look!
Chomp.
This is what I want is. Sandwiches.
I was like, chomp. Sit next to me, Alex.
Sit next to me, bitch. Wait. No.
It seems like the sandwiches... I ate
Stop.
I ate it. I had a bite of it. I'm going to throw up. I ate a bit, yeah.
I ate all of it. Nah.
I was like, Jesus Christ.
I hate Joey.
This wasn't funny.
That wasn't funny.
Yeah, it wasn't. You're right.
Oh no, it made me sad.
You didn't scare me. You made me feel like about to die. I was like, Nick, am I gonna die now?
No.
You wanna go? You need to go to the bathroom. Don't, Jerry. Don't.
Jerry, don't.
Don't. Jerry, don't do it. It's not worth it. Jerry, it's not worth it. Don't do it.
I'm following Jerry.
I'm literally into my bedroom right now, so.
Beak, get in your bed. Wait, Beak, I'm not gonna sleep, but I'm gonna get the same time as you, because, like, I'm scared.
What the hell?
Beak, get in this one, it's empty.
Which one? Green?
This one, I'm jumping.
Oh, green.
Hi.
No, I'm actually kind of scared. Jerry, why?
No.
Jerry, you're so dumb.
Make that this game is actually peaceful.
It's not.
Idiot.
I'm just like, no, it isn't.
Oh, I don't know what the hell.
I'm just like, it isn't. I'm wondering if something. Yeah, something is. I'm telling you. Alex.
The music, Beak, the music.
Shoot. Are you there? Jerry? No, actually. Nah! Jit tripping. Oh, shoot. I thought Bob liked me. It's not just Bob, you idiot. I think he can't talk. Shoot, that's even worse. Help! That's the guy who didn't wash his hands. The guy who didn't wash his hands is about to come kill him.
Jerry's the monster.
No, Jerry's the guy who didn't wash it. Oh, no, I can't.
Oh.
It's just a rabbit. No, it is not just a rabbit.
It's big. It's a big rabbit.
No.
What's up there?
It's the guy who didn't wash his hands. That was about to be like... Shut the goddamn door! Hi everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. On a little tiny money, on a tiny on a cocoa mama, Nah, don't let him in. I don't trust Lord. I don't care, I pressed yes. Oh shoot. No, I don't trust Bob. Shoot, I don't trust Bob. Come quickly. I kind of don't trust Bob. I kind of trust Bob, but at the same time, I kind of don't trust Bob.
Yeah.
Like, I trust him because I think he washes his hands.
Joey's back.
Okay.
No, don't let Joey in. Don't let Joey in.
could they be? Oh shoot! Don't you dare say Bob. Don't you dare tell Bob to get out. If you tell Bob to get out, I'm gonna kill you.
See, I think Jerry's the monster.
I don't think Jerry likes Bob.
No, I think Jerry's
We were
the
attacked
monster.
by a masked guy. Yes. And Bob's scared of him.
Yeah.
Bob followed us and we let him enter. Yeah. Oh. That's a good scary story. It's not a scary story.
Stop.
We're the only
Don't
two
speak.
people there. We're the only two people there.
Stop doing
We're the
that.
only two people there. It's not a story. It's real, Daddy. Why did I say that? Okay, look. We can sleep in the cabin tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jerry.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's giving residential if someone got... Wait, were you in a... It's giving residential if someone got moved into the spare room in the dorm.
Oh.
That was a cross. That was a cross from the teacher.
Wasn't it Reese?
Yeah, Reese got moved.
Yeah. He got moved into the girls' corridor.
Did he?
Yeah.
Ah! Alright, sorry. We're just talking about our residential.
Yeah. Sorry about this.
There was like a spare room in the dorms, and if you were naughty, you got moved to the spare room.
Yeah, and if you were
What the hell?
What the hell?
What was that?
The burger guy.
The burger. It was me. I had it. Oh, was it about Bob? Because you don't like Bob.
You had a nightmare. Let me sleep.
Wait, were you on top or bottom bunk?
I'm on top now.
No, during the residential, I was on bottom.
Oh, I was on top.
I was on bottom, but
No, but there was 3 people in my room.
I was with 4. I was trapped with
Evie.
Yeah,
But she's in Canada.
I know. Sorry. Evie, if you're watching this, I didn't like being in a dorm with you. You sounded like a freaking vacuum cleaner.
But anyway.
You left your teddy bear in the bathroom. Don't go.
Who left their teddy bear?
Jerry, don't go. Don't go. You guys need to get it. No!
No!
There is an assassin outside. First of all, what? There is no assassin. There is, you idiot. Second, I need my teddy bear.
Yeah, okay.
And if I don't sleep, the game won't continue. Okay, don't sleep then.
Yeah. Oh, don't say that.
Right, this is the end of part 2 now.